everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I will be flying this. It's a new toy drone, and I got it. It's about $60, so it's a fairly affordable price, and it's a very good size. I mean, it's not as big as like the Mavic Pro or Air, but it's a decent size, and it's good for beginners as well. We'll just find a good place to set it. Okay. So, if you have one of these drones as well, I can show you how to calibrate it. Zoom in, come over here for this. So first, just turn on using the button. Then press the on button on this. Then to calibrate it, make it go up, then down on the left joystick. Then to calibrate the gyros, move both to the bottom left. And it should blink a little bit quickly, but then stop and be solid color. If not, that means that there's not enough battery left. So, another few cool things about this controller, these are not antennas, they're just meant to look cool. And then they're like, there's this little tray which can slide out to fit your phone. Okay, so I think we're gonna stop flying it now. Wait, it's starting. So this drone, it's called the DEErc D10. It has a 720p camera and some lights all around. I suggest buying it. It's a good price for what you get. And if you just order it, it gives you about 2 batteries, each battery about 12 minutes of battery life. But if you do want to connect it to the camera, like what was in the recorded video of the camera, that is going to drain the battery a little bit more. I highly recommend getting this. It's really good. And the video, it's gonna show right now. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope this video was fascinating for you. I highly recommend buying this product, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!